Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my car channel. Today, this finally came in. We finally got a tune for the Camrys, and today we're gonna be installing it. But before we install it, we gotta go back to a few nights ago when I got 89, because you need 89 for the stage 1 tune for this car. Can't run 87. Probably could, but you won't really get anything out of it. So yeah, we're gonna fast forward to that. Okay, so we're here at the gas station. We are at 53 miles. This is like maybe a few days before I actually have the tune, because it's a Toyota Camry, so the gas will be able to hold me for like the full week. So might as well get the 89 now that I need, required for the tune. So yeah, I'm gonna get that now. 89 is $4.11, bro. It's crazy. You already know the method coming in, 40 cents off. So that's gonna be helping me a lot. We're gonna choose that right now. Look at that. That is amazing. Get that going. Let's see how much that was gonna be. I'm gonna be putting a full tank of 89. It's my first time running it on this car, but it should be fine. I don't see why it would have any issues. $45 for a full tank of 89. Get a few more drops, why not? Even though that probably never works. $45 for 12 gallons. It's not too bad, but would have helped me a lot if I was still taking 87, because I would have been at $3.40. Would have been amazing. So yeah, let's get back to the part where, well, first let me close the gas cap. Now let's see if we can put on the tune. Okay, we're here in my car. It's like a few days later. I got the tune early. I got it on Tuesday, which was yesterday for me. Some stuff was going on, and for some reason it wasn't registered. I called them. Super quick answering, especially early in the morning. And now we're currently reading the ECU, so we're gonna get that done so they can get it. And then I think tomorrow is when I'll get the actual tune, and then we'll be able to mess around with the pops and bangs. It was gonna be great. It's only been a few hours, and we got the mod file for the tune, so we're gonna quickly go into the Camry and put that on. Okay, we got this thing plugged into the OBD2 port. Now we're just gonna go onto the app and connect it, and we can run our tune. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm gonna close the door just in case. Starting the application, hopefully everything goes smoothly. I honestly thought it was gonna take a full 24 hours like that guy told me. Shout out to Jim, perfect customer support. Like, they have that robot, they tell you what number to press, they put you on hold. Didn't even take a full minute, he answered. AMT tuning right there. Okay, we're going to the ECU. Got it. Okay, now we just gotta do the writing part. Got it. And my tune should be in here. There it is, stage 1 pops and bangs. Next. I have no clue if I was supposed to turn my car on, hopefully. But I'm pretty sure it would have told me to turn it on here. So hopefully no issues. Okay. Car is on. Not fully on, you just put it into accessory mode. And just press OK. No clue what that means, but I'm just gonna press OK. Hopefully it's nothing that will affect me. I mean, I'm not in California, so shouldn't be any issues. I can't even get this. Yes, proceed. So we got some lights going on. shoot. It should be fine. Yeah, all that kind of stuff is going to act like this. But everything should still work. It's programmed in the ECU. It shouldn't take too long. It said 7 minutes on the app, so hopefully it'll take just 7 minutes as well. Got all these lights coming up saying the engine and stuff. It should be fine. That's probably the only normal thing right there is my tire pressure, because since it's a Toyota, always comes on. It doesn't matter. And I think it's done. Okay, now we can turn the ignition off. Okay. Press OK. And it's done. I would highly recommend not doing this without getting rid of your cats or getting like catless headers. I'm obviously doing it before I get catless headers just to try it out, because I will get catless headers at some point. I'm not gonna keep running a tune like this. This is just for content basically, and it's exporting right now. Okay, it's done exporting. This should be the last thing, and hopefully we should be able to turn on the car and go test it out. And we're done. That should be everything. I'm pretty sure I can just press exit now and unplug this and go close my garage door, and we're gonna go and test it out. So I'll see you guys when I have everything on. Okay, I have this thing in high gear so it doesn't pop all the way. Hopefully. I hear it a little bit. I hear it. All right, let's see. Oh my God. Yo. Yo, that is nuts. Yo, that is crazy. Yo, that thing is popping like crazy, bro. About to go into the neighborhood. Yo. This thing popping like crazy, bro. I'm pretty sure I have to touch the pedal a little bit more if I want more. Yo, yeah, if you feather the throttle a little bit more, it'll do as much as you want. But that's insane. Yo, that is crazy. I said that like a million times, but... And the throttle feels a lot more better. Yo, I just hit a fucking pothole. Yeah, the more aggressive you step on it, the louder it gets. This is about to be so much fun when I go places. I really hope I don't blow my cats doing this. I gotta be careful how long I use this for. Still has the automatic shifting. I don't think AMT tuning has that to be turned off, which is fine by me. Yo, the neighbors are gonna hate me for this. I highly recommend this. This is so much fun. You just go. Let's go see if we can do it like in third gear. Yo, that one was loud. Okay, let's see. We're in third gear. Yeah, it still does it. Not too much though. Doesn't do it when you downshift. I think you need to feather it, but I keep needing to brake, so I can't really do both at once. Where did this guy come from? Scared the shit out of me. I'm gonna try to get some clips on the outside whenever my brother comes home from school. Try to go places. Well, I ended up screwing up really badly. So it's been a few days, well, probably a few weeks now, with having the tune. I did tell myself that I was going to turn it off in a few days, get some content, and then turn it off. Did not listen. This is what happens when you have too much fun and you don't have the right stuff. It happened like a few days ago. It happened like on a Friday, Friday? Yeah, Thursday. I was helping my aunt move, and we had some stuff, you know. I was going boom, 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 a bunch of times, and you know, it's fun. All you see is I'm about to get to the light. This just pops up. I wish I had the dash cam, but I need more storage for this one. And I don't even know why I'm driving this, to be honest. I should be letting this sit until I get my catless headers, because now I'm going to have to get it soon. This came on. I was like, I already know what it's for. It's for the cats. I damaged them. They haven't blown up. At least I'm pretty sure they haven't blown up, because I'm still able to drive this The gears are moving. I'm still on stage 1. I'm just not on the pops and bangs no more. It still pops like once, but that was like that since I put the exhaust on when I had no tune at all. So now I'm gonna have to get my catless headers soon. They should be coming soon. So yeah, don't have, even though it doesn't say on their website that you need headers, catless headers, get catless headers if you want to run pops and bangs. For I'm assuming any car. You do not want to have cats to run pops and bangs. So I decided to buy a scanner because, you know, it can help me later in the long run to see what's wrong with the car. There's another Camry behind me. Yeah, so I bought a scanner so I can see what's wrong with the car. And best believe it was my cats. It was like I forgot what code it was, like P0420, I think, or something like that. So yeah, I guess this really marks the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed me installing the tuning stuff, not really messing up my car, you know, like and subscribe and all that stuff. Like I said, get catless headers for your pops and bangs. Don't be like me, being impatient that you get the tune first before the headers. So I'll see you guys whenever I decide to get my headers, which will be soon. And yeah, peace.